Hi guys, welcome back to the Oint Country Homes. Najua mmengojea hizi updates. It's the 10th week in our progress update. Behind me, that's a condo sitting on a 50 by 100 170 SQM. This house is going for just 14.7, and I'm glad that I get the opportunity to show you this because I've taken you through the each and every update. Tulitoka pale chini, hii nyumba now it's going to plastering, and in a few months we'll be finishing up the house and delivering it to its owner. A villa seated on a quarter acre, 300 SQM, and I told you earlier that we have updated the prices. Villa is going for 26.5. The condo on a 50 by 100 is going for 14.7. If you want it on a 100 by 100, it's going for 17.7. Do this. You want your house today, and you've been thinking about us, Amara Realty, and you've heard all we have said about the houses. Why don't you come for a site visit? Come see what you're providing, what we're offering, then make your decision after that. Nipigie simu on 0726 996 405. And as we say at Amara Realty, come for your peace of mind.